Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial component that's probably working hard under your vehicle right now, the universal joint, or U-joint for short. If you've been hearing strange noises from your car lately, this might be the video that saves you thousands in repairs. What's a U-joint anyway? Think of a U-joint as your car's flexible connector. It's like the wrist that connects your hand to your arm, allowing movement in multiple directions. This humble hero transfers power from your transmission to your wheels, while handling all those angles and bumps you encounter on the road. Pretty impressive for something most people never think about, right? The warning signs you can't ignore. Now, here's where things get interesting. Your U-joint might be trying to tell you something, and trust me, you'll want to listen. The first red flag: strange noises. If you're hearing squeaking or chirping when starting to move, especially at low speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour, your U-joint is basically screaming for attention. But that's not all. When your U-joint starts failing, it's like a domino effect of symptoms. You might feel vibrations that get worse as you speed up. There could be clunking sounds when shifting between drive and reverse. And if you're seeing reddish fluid under your transmission, that's a serious red flag. Hey, if you're finding this information helpful, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly sharing tips that could save you from costly repairs. And speaking of helpful resources, check out our website, yourmotorcare.com, where we've published a detailed article about U-joints with even more in-depth information. What causes U-joint failure? Let's get real. Even the best U-joints won't last forever, but several factors can send them to an early grave. Regular heavy-duty use, like towing, frequent off-road adventures, high-mileage operation, and the silent killer, lack of proper maintenance. DIY diagnosis. Want to check your U-joints yourself? Here's how. First, do a visual inspection. Look for rust-colored powder around the U-joint caps. That's like finding a smoking gun. Next, try to move your drive shaft side to side, with the vehicle properly supported, of course. If you hear clicking or feel excessive movement, you've got a problem brewing. The cost factor. Now, let's talk money. A U-joint replacement typically costs between $20 to $120 for parts, plus labor running $200 to $300. And if you're thinking about buying replacement parts, you'll find all our recommended products linked in the description below. The million-dollar question: how long can I drive with a bad U-joint? Here's the honest truth. While you technically can drive with early symptoms, it's like playing Russian roulette with your drivetrain. A catastrophic failure could leave you stranded or worse, cause an accident. Is that really worth the risk? Preventive care tips. Want to avoid U-joint problems altogether? Here's your game plan. Regular inspections. Monthly visual checks are your best friend. Proper lubrication. Using the right grease is crucial. Smart driving habits. Avoid excessive loads. And most importantly, don't ignore those early warning signs. Speaking of warning signs, if you're also dealing with strange metallic sounds when reversing, don't forget to check out our detailed video on metal sound when reversing. You'll find it in the end screen of this video. Remember, your U-joint might not be the most glamorous part of your vehicle, but it's definitely one of the most important. Taking care of it now could save you from a major headache later. And hey, if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out yourmotorcare.com for more automotive wisdom. Drop a comment below if you've ever experienced U-joint issues. We'd love to hear your story.